inspector. Mouthy also happens to be our chief track and field expert. And Mouthy is going to demonstrate the proper form for running the high hurdle. Now, like all true athletes, Mouthy knows this. Okay, I think you summed it up now. Mouthy's concentrating. Now, I have to let you in on a little secret. Mouthy really is just a lazy bird. And I consider myself lucky just to get him to do this much. So let's have just a small round of applause. They're watching Harry. How's that pretty color? Now, Duster's so smart that he's taught himself how to turn these skates around all by himself. And in fact, he gets insulted if I try to help him. Now, this might look easy to you folks, but it's really difficult, especially when you're as pigeon-toed as little Duster is. One. Ball out still, use your feet. Grumpy gets the first ball. He dribbles over to his court. Grumpy shoots the basket and scores 2 points, and now it's Harry's turn. And Harry shoots the basket. Attaboy Harry. Harry ties the score, it's 2-2. Now it's Grumpy's turn again. Harry's gonna block him this time. Maybe. Grumpy comes in for a layup and the score is 4-2. Now I always let Harry have the last ball because he's a very poor scorer. If you don't let Harry win, he'll go home and beat up on all the other gates. And they're off and riding at Weeki Wachee. Come on, Duster. Come on, Cookies.